Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the blinker arm and the actuator for the wiper control and a rear wiper control and high beam low beam handle on a 2002 to 2005 Ford Explorer. Now as you can see, it's quite annoying when you turn your key on and that happens. Okay, wipers aren't even on, but that's happening. So I'm going to show you how to replace that today. The first thing you're going to want to do is you want to take a Phillips head screwdriver. Under here there's one screw, and then around the other side there is another screw, and take those two screws out. Once you take those screws out, the bottom portion just drops down, and then you'll see a third screw right there. Phillips head, get that out of your way. Now with that screw out, this whole assembly, it'll come up and then you can pull it out and get that out of your way. I'm going to use two hands, but that's how that works. This whole thing comes out and then you could slip it slowly over the old arm assembly. All right, now with our new piece, you just want to match it up, make sure it's the same thing. And on top, you'll see a little 7/6, I think it's a 6mm bolt right there. We're going to take that bolt out, and then there's three sensors on the back. They use that style clip. Push in, pull out those three, and then we'll get this old assembly out of the way. All right, so that socket size ended up being a 7/32. I don't know why. I work on Explorers all the time, and it's the first time I ever came across a standard size bolt. So this thing basically sits in here like this, and there's a little trigger clip right here. So you just push that and the whole thing slides up, and then you'll be able to get your harnesses out of the back of it. So now we have the new unit, and the opposite of removal, we are going to install it. So we plugged our cables in the back, we slid it down here. All I'm going to do now is put in this little 7/32 screw like so. We'll snug it down, and then we'll be able to get our two little shrouds back in. So I'm going to do that now. Top one goes in first, bottom one goes in second. Be mindful of this little fake leather thing they put here. All right, with our top shroud in place, we put that little Phillips screw back in. Then we'll somehow, all we gotta do is go something like that, get that through here, and then this fishes up, and then it just snaps back into place, and we'll put our other two Phillips screws in. With our two screws in, now we can go ahead and we'll take this little thing that is ripped on every Explorer I've ever seen, and it just clips in. I'm going to use two hands again. I'll get this in place and we'll clip it in. All right, let's give it a go, see what happens. So far so good, wipers didn't turn on. Let's try left blinker. Nice. Right blinker. Perfect. And wipers. Awesome. So that's it. That's how to replace the wiper lever on a 2002 to 2005 Ford Explorer in 5 minutes. Cost me $40 for the part and no labor charge at all. So hope this helps somebody. Take care.